Hi guys, today is going to be a very special video because a couple days ago I got a new pet. So he is a bearded dragon and his name is Jarvis. So basically what this video is going to be about is when I first got him and basically him and his enclosure and how I'm taking care of him. So I hope you enjoy, and without any further ado, let's start the video. Hi guys, it's July 15th, 2020, and I'm about to pick up my bearded dragon. It's the first reptile I've ever had, and I'm really excited, and I'll update you when I got him. Hi guys, so I've had Jarvis for about 2 days now, and he's so sweet and adorable, and he loves the cuddle. So currently he is sleeping on my shoulder, so just thought you guys might want to see him, and back to the video. Guys, I'm going to be giving Jarvis a bath. When you're giving your lizard a bath, you want to make sure the water is lukewarm. So you don't want it to be cold, but you don't want it to be hot. I think if they're moving around a lot, you need it to be a little warmer, but I don't quite know yet. I'm still trying to figure things out. But what I'm doing is I'm just sprinkling some water on him and just washing him down. Now, what you don't want to do is don't want to use any chemicals or anything like that on them, because that can potentially harm your lizard. So just wash him down with water, make sure not to get anything in his ears or eyes, and then dry him off by patting him dry.
He's just curled up in my hair.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, bye!